In this video we have listed the top 5 best cable winch on existing market. We made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things.
Are you new viewers? You should connect with us clicking by subscribe button, then press the bell icon for next updates.
Best of 5. Moto Alliance Wireless Remote Viper Winch. Manufactured in an ISO TS1 6949 certified factory using military-grade materials. Includes wireless and cable remote switches, integrated contactor, 85-inch steel cable unroller fair lead. IP67 waterproof rating, limited lifetime warranty. Mount pattern, 10-inch by 4.5-inch. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Off-Road BOAR synthetic rope waterproof winch. Waterproof grade IP67. 3-stage planetary gear system. Powerful, efficient series wound motor. Brake, mechanical, automatic load holding. Rated line pull of 13,000 pounds, 85 feet of 8 by 3-inch synthetic rope. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. X-Bull 12-volt steel cable electric winch. Bonus 2 wireless remote controllers and 1 hand controller. 26 meters stainless steel cable. Power in and power out motor for positive load control. Free spooling clutch for fast wire rope payout. Come with 2-piece remote wireless control. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Electric remote control recovery winch. Upgraded reversible motor with true power rating of 6.0 horsepower, 4,300 watts. Measures 21 4 by 1 inch, 6 8 by 3 inch and 9 8 by 7 inch. High, and weighs 90 pounds. Wireless remote control. Automatic braking locks rope to prevent free spooling and slacking. Premium 87 feet diameter, 8/16 by 13 inch. Long drum. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. RUGCEL 12-volt electric wireless remote winch. Special designed for ATV, UTV, car, boat, trucks, jeeps, modified vehicles and multi-purpose utility trailers. 1.9 horsepower, 12V series wound motor and 3-stage planetary gear system. Completely waterproof, 5,000 pounds rated capacity line pull for smooth and efficient operation. Mechanical and dynamic brake for control while winching, including the detailed manual instruction. All winches come backed by a lifetime technical support and 3-year limited warranty. Check the description for best price and details.